My name is Ateeb. I'm the Chief Product Officer at a company called Born. Born is a SaaS platform in the B2B world that connects buyers with brands. We had a challenge. So we had a lot of data stored in multiple systems, but we didn't have a way of centralizing it in a way that's effective, easy to understand, or visualization was a challenge. And we kept getting, I kept getting queries internally about, can you do this report, can you do that report? And I wanted to find a solution where we could pull all that centralized, so anybody in our organization can look at it. I'd worked with Tableau previously, but again, I'm not a data person, so I wasn't the best person to set up Tableau. That's when I started looking online for experts who could help me build this, and that's where you guys came. And I saw, I started speaking to you directly, started seeing what you brought to the table, and you were the exact kind of company that I thought could help me solve this problem for my company. What we have is a seamless single dashboard, multiple areas within the dashboard, but one simplified dashboard that shows all of our data in terms of our most important KPIs for our organization as we scale. Using Tableau, and the presentation is very effective as well. And so I'm at that point where I can show internally and feel confident enough that my team can use it by themselves as self-serve, rather than coming to me constantly or looking for other people to do it. They can look at the dashboard as and when they need to and be confident that the data they see is the most accurate and the most up-to-date. The key thing with data, and especially the data that we have now, we can see how well each one of our areas are doing within our business. Because we work with multiple partners, so we can see per partner level of who's doing well and who's not, and where we can focus on. And so, we're still a scale-up company. We don't have unlimited resources. We have a small team. At least now we can see where we need to dedicate ourselves and where we need to improve on. But also in terms of our company growth, we can see week on week how well we're performing. Are we hitting the KPIs, projections as we thought it? Is the forecasting the right way? And we can see what certain instances or what certain dates or milestones has a hugest impact on our KPIs. I can say, the guys that I've worked with in your organization, have all been experts. I felt confident each time I've spoken to them. Again, initially when we started speaking, there were challenges, as they are. You guys were trying to understand our platform, we were trying to understand what you guys needed, and so there was that part, but that's always natural. It wasn't anything you'd say, oh, it's a scary thing or it's not right. If you didn't have those complexities or those questions, I'd be more concerned. It's the fact is that you started deep diving into it, you started raising alarm bells at the right level and asking the right questions was a good sign for me that these people are invested in it and they do know what they're talking about as well. And I spoke to Haush, I spoke to Manoj, I spoke to you, and each time I spoke to you guys, I felt confident. And so I think that is a testament of the skill sets you guys bring. To be honest with you, I've never felt an issue. We have my engineering team based in India, I'm based in London, I have my counterpart based in the US, and I've never felt a challenge. Again, to be honest with you, I don't know what time zones you guys operate in. Whenever I've had a question, any of us have had a question, you guys are there. And you're always around. You guys are available at this time in the UK, you're available in Indian times as well. So I haven't really felt anything that we're not in the same time zone. And again, I don't know if we are or if we're not in the same time zone. Outside of the question, I can say it's been a pleasure working with you guys, and from where we were to where we are now, it's a huge improvement in terms of the dashboards and what we've put together. And who knows what the future can hold, but if there's another company who's in a similar situation to myself, or my colleagues or friends I've worked with, or past colleagues who ask me, I'm more than happy to recommend you guys, because again, I have had no issues with yourselves and the quality of work has been good. And if I can be an advocate in anything, I'm more than happy to do that.